वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल डुगू एंड मामा चैनल में आपका स्वागत है. I have been searching for a baby bag for so long and finally I found one that has so many pockets, a dedicated pocket for everything, then insulated pockets to keep your bottle and water, which is exactly what I was looking for. Many color options are there, but I chose one that you can see here, and this has a good and strong strap so you can carry it on and you won't be tired, and it has secret pocket and pocket for you as well, so it covers all that I was looking for. And so finally I'm very happy with this baby bag. If you're looking for a baby bag, maybe you should see this video till the end. So no more talking, let's get into it and I'll show you the bag, how it came, the unwrapping and everything, and then the working model. So this is the bag that I've been carrying. This is water resistant, the material is really good, and how it looks from outside, it has a side pocket with a zip here, so you can keep your wipes here, and you can open the zip and you can pull out the wipes. So this is the side pocket, and there is a pacifier bag here, so you can keep your baby's pacifier in it. My baby does not take a pacifier, so I have his toy here, but you can use it for pacifiers. Then there is another side pocket, so it can stretch and expand. There is a secret pocket here, and it is big, like the entire place is here, the pocket, and I keep my wallet here, so I don't have to carry my purse or sling bag. Then this is the strap, it is padded inside, and these are the buckles to put it in your stroller. Good quality again. The front pocket. So starting with this front pocket, so this is one. It has a key holder, so I have my key here. Then I use it for myself, so I have my lipstick, some tissue, and some other stuff that I've been using, my hand cream. So these are here. So this is the first pocket, zip it, good, and then there is another one here. So this is like, it opens like this fully. This has insulated pockets. This is 1, 2 and 3, so you can keep your bottles here and it will stay warm. And then there is one zip here, so I keep his teether here. You can use it for anything else. So this is the second zip. Then the third pocket, which is here, and it is deep, and grocery bag if I need it in case. So it is here, but this is deep, so you can keep something there. Then moving on to the other 2 pockets, which are important. So it opens, comes neatly like this. So here I am keeping the stroller cover, but this is for diapers and wipes. And then here you can have your clothes in, so this can go back like this. And then finally the big middle pocket. Let me show you. This is one of the pocket. Then there is thermoplast, and this is also insulated. Then there is bottle space, right, and this is also insulated. Then there is another pocket where I'm keeping formula, and there is another pocket where I'm keeping my Duggu's fan and tissue. And then there is another inside zip here, so you can keep something here, and ample space here to keep clothes, right? So it looks like this, very spacious. It comes with a changing pad as well. So this is insulated, and if I remove this bottle, also insulated, so it looks like this, empty. This is the changing bag that comes with the bag. It has a zip here. So I have my cotton changing sheet, nappy cream, and then this is some wipes, diapers, and it is foamed here so that the baby's head is not on the ground. So this is also good. So if you are looking for a baby bag, I suggest this bag is good. It can hold everything that you need when going out with baby, and it is super stylish as well, and I bought it from Amazon. So in case you like this and you want to buy it, so I'll get the link in the description and you can check out there. So this was all about baby bag today. If the information in this video was useful to you, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.